Hi everyone, I am Brahim Sarori, and today I'll walk you through my project easyBill. easyBill is a Flutter-based app designed to simplify bill and invoice generation. This app is enabled users to manage their billing and invoicing tasks effortlessly by scan barcode for items, manage clients, add signature to invoices, and generate professional bills and invoices as a PDF for saving or printing. One of the app key features is user authentication, where you can secure your app data with an account, and you can access your data on multiple devices. And also barcode scanning, where you can quickly add items to your database by scanning their barcodes. The app also provides client management, where you can store and organize client names for quick access when creating bill or invoice. Where the app also supports different currencies, which will allow customization to your local or preferred currency. The app also supports digital signature, where you can sign your bill or invoice directly within the app for authenticity and professionalism. You can also generate your invoice or bill as a PDF, where you can open this PDF externally for saving or printing. And for the architecture and technology, Flutter powers the app's interface, while Firebase handles back-end services like user authentication, real-time database for storing items and clients and bills. And for external packages, I used simple barcode scanner and a PDF package for generating PDFs for invoices and bills. I used also a signature package for adding signature to the invoice. And I used a sync preference package to store the setting of the app. And I used GoRouter package for efficient routing and navigation. And for development workflow, step 1, I started by implementing sign up and sign in screens with Firebase authentication to manage user accounts securely. In the step 2, I built screen for managing clients and manage items to store and organize essential billing data. And for step 3, I developed the functionality to create new bills, invoices, allowing users to scan item barcodes, adjust quantities, and associate invoices with clients. In the step 3, I added the ability to preview the bill invoice before generating a PDF. And on step 5, I integrated PDF generation for bills, invoices, enabling users to save or open the PDF in an external app for printing or sharing. On step 6, I enhanced the app with introducing additional features which support changing currencies for international users, and I added a digital signature functionality for authenticating invoices and billing. I also developed a support contact screen for user assistance, and I implemented a dark mode for better usability and accessibility in low light environments. One of my big successes with the app is barcode scanning, which will enable users to quickly add items, and PDF generation, which will enable users to create professional invoices effortlessly, and also a digital signature, which will enhance the invoice and billing authenticity, and also a Firebase integration, which will provide real-time update and secure data. And for this app, there's a lot of area for improvement. Like I can introduce multiple templates for bills and invoice to provide users with customizable options that match their branding or preferences. I can also implement offline capability to allow users to manage items, clients, and invoices even without an internet connection. There's also the ability to add analytics feature to help users track clients' data, items trends, and invoice performance over time. And there's an area to enhance the UI to make it more intuitive and visually appealing, essentially for managing large database of items or clients. And there's also the option for providing users the ability to share invoices directly via email or WhatsApp or other platform from within the app. Building easyBill deepened my understanding of Flutter and Dart, which I gained a deeper understanding of the Flutter framework and its capability for building responsive and cross-platform applications. I also improved my proficiency in that language, including the asynchronous program feature in packages integration. I also developed strong problem solving and debugging skills, especially when working with third-party libraries like barcode scanners and PDF generator. I also learned how to efficiently implement Firebase authentication, real-time database, and how to provide a secure and scalable back-end solution. And for the next step, I am thinking about enabling multiple language support to expand the user base and the ability to directly share invoices via email or WhatsApp. And I can introduce a stock management system to track items inventory levels directly within the app. And also I can implement a notification to alert users when stock quantities fall below a predefined threshold. This ensures business can replenish inventory on time. Thank you for your time and attention. I look forward to your thoughts and feedback. Hi, I'm going to show you how this app works and its main features. We'll start by creating an account using an email and password. Please note email verification is not implemented. As you can see, the account has been created successfully. Now let's try logging out. Next we'll move to sign up or logging in. If the email or password is incorrect, an error dialog will pop up as shown here. Before we create the bill or invoice, we first need to insert our business information. Then we'll add client's details. After that, we'll add items by scanning their barcodes. We can also use the search bar to find items by name, and the same can be done with the clients. The app allows us to change the currency to anyone we want, as it supports all global currencies. We can also activate the dark mode theme for a better user experience. Additionally, we can add a signature which is stored locally. So now let's create our first bill. Simply scan the item's barcode and adjust the quantity as needed. If the item doesn't exist in the database, the app will direct you to create it. Once the bill is created, we can save it to database and preview it. Finally, we can open the bill as a PDF in an external app, allowing us to save or print it using a printer.